What's up, guys? The Destroyer here, and I am playing Sleeping Dogs. And some of you guys might have heard this game or played this game before. Well, I just wanted to record something like new, another fighting game. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it.
Alright. You want to fight? You look like you might survive a couple
I'm
rounds.
gonna fight in this martial arts club.
Way shit! My fans, very happy.
Okay, what you got for me? This is no problem. Get out of here, boy. Okay. Done. See how fast that was, guys? Boy behind me. Get your ass down. Holy shit. Get your ankles broke. Okay, that wasn't actually his ankle, that was his whole leg, but you know what I mean. Okay. What am I doing? Sneak attack! Bitch! Get out of here! Oh! That dodge though? Get out of here. Stay down. I said, stay your ass down! Oh, we got a fat man. We got a big man. Well, same thing. Oh shit! Down. All of that weight. Oh shit! Get off me, boy. Oh, all that meat, bruh. Get your leg broke. Get kicked in the back of the head. Oh shit! Get off of me, boy. Yay! Freaking love this game. Oh shit! Oh, bring it on! Bring it on! I'm up for anything. Get kicked in the back of the head. Get off of me. Get your leg broke and get kicked in the back of the head, son. Get laid down. Bro. You cannot touch me. Oh shit! Oh hell no! Freaking jab me straight across. I took so little damage from that. What type of hit was that? Stay down. Get your dude. Oh, okay. He dodged it. Oh, come on, you dodged it last time. Okay, let's see if this freaking dodge. Oops. Okay, no. You. Okay, done. Stay down. Oh shit. Two big mans, two fat mans, and there's two grapplers, I think. Oh! Okay, I need to really pay attention. Oh shit! Figure I got hit with all that meat. Oh hell no. Oh, by the way, all that sagging and everything. Oh man, can feel that shit. Oh shit! I got hit again. Oops, boy. Oops. Oh shit, I missed. Okay. Get off me. Ah, weak ass legs. Oh shit! Okay. Okay. Oh. Can you just stay down? Sneak attack! Oh shit, okay. Hup! Weak ass legs, boy. You didn't expect that. Snow! Oh shit, oh shit, I get hit with the sack and the oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit, okay. Sneak attack! Get your back, Brock. Oh shit, I'm about to go down, guys. Oh shit! Oh, when I'm in my rage mode, my health regenerates, and that's the cool thing about it. Okay, let my health regenerate a little bit. Oh, come on, bro. I'm gonna play with this guy, bro, for real. Oh. Okay.
Alright. We have a winner. So here's your payday. That's the best you can do.
I know, right? Is that really the best that you guys can do? Send the whole army on my ass. For real. Cause that wasn't enough. Okay, you know what? We're gonna go to another fight club. I'm gonna post. Please comment down below if you want another episode of this, cause this is fun to play, and I would like to play it again. If you guys would like, if you guys would like another episode of this, then yeah, I will make another episode. Oh shit. Oh shit, wait, I seen something. That was a blue light, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take this guy's car. Thank you. Okay. This car looks fast. Oh shit, cause it is. Oh shit. Oh! Alright, you know, yeah, we're gonna do a mission. We're gonna do one little mission. Oh, I'm the cop. Okay. Stop, Hong Kong police! Oh, Hong Kong police, bitch! I'm gonna pull over. Oh shit. They're getting away! Oh shit. Oh! See, now I'm coming. Oh! Go sleep. Yo, did you hear what I said? I said, go sleep. Oh shit, oh, you like hit me. You like hit me? Yeah, you too, boy. Go sleep. Oh yeah, you too. No, you know. Yeah, I'm bringing you in. Okay, that was fun. Oh shit, sorry. Sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Wait, they still laying out on the street? Okay, I'm gonna go buy me a little soda. $30 for one soda. Holy shit. Dragon kick. Dragon! Oh shit. Holy shit, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, lady. I'm so sorry. Here, wait, you want your purse back here. Oh shit, bro, I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh, oh my god, I'm so sorry, bro. Oh shit, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not see you there. Oh, is he? Okay, he's dead. I'm gone. I'm out. I'm out. Get out the way. Okay, oh shit. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to fight again. This freaker has a knife. Yeah, you better drop that. Oh. Oh shit, I got stabbed. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do to your leg, son. Whoops. Oh, stay down, boy. No, he ain't stabbing me this time. I just came here for the box, guys. Oh shit! Freaking like stab me, huh? How about I stab you? How about I stab you, bro? No, you're not. Let's see if my aim is good. Let's see if my aim is good. Whoops! Oh, I got him! I got him! I got him! Stay down. All I came for was just. Okay, there's 4 thugs remaining. Okay. Oh shit! They're all running at me. Oh no! Oh shit! This freaker has a butcher knife. Oh hell no! You just gonna let me do that to your boy? Oh, get dropped. Stay down. Stay down, boy. Go sleep. Break the leg. Yeah. Okay, now I need to hack into this thing. Okay, I got it. I got 5 grand. Okay. I hope you guys can see the gameplay. Sorry for asking now. I've been playing this whole entire time, but I'm still gonna post this stuff. I'm gonna try and you know, make the like you know the quality of the video a little bit more better. Sorry, bro. You want your umbrella back? Okay, you got it. Holy shit! You just freaking it just bounced straight off of this dog. You think you could fight? Get the hell out of here, boy. Even you what? You want this? Oh shit! Oh, that was a nice punch. Hey, but you need to work on your strength though. I only took like 1% damage from that. Okay. Okay, guys, that was it for this episode. I'm gonna end it here, and I hope all of you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.